Hey everyone! If your Windows 11 update KB5077181 is failing to install and showing error code 0x800f0900 on version 24H2 or 25H2, this video will fix it completely. Proven methods to fix it from basic to advanced. Let's dive in. 1. Run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. First, let's start simple. Go to Settings, System, Troubleshoot, Other Troubleshooters. Find Windows Update and click Run. This built-in tool automatically detects problems in update services, missing files, or registry entries and tries to repair them. If it fixes something, restart your PC and try the update again before moving on. 2. Reset Windows Update components. If the troubleshooter didn't solve it, the problem might be corrupted update cache files. Let's reset them manually. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Type these commands one by one, press Enter after each. netstop wazrf, netstop crypt svc, netstop bits, netstop server, rinc:/windows/softtware distribution software/distribution.old, rinc:/windows/system32/catroot2catroot2.old, netstart wazrf, netstart crypt svc, netstart bits, netstart server. This clears the cache and rebuilds fresh update folders. Now, try installing KB5077181 again. 3. Repair system files. Sometimes the update fails because system files are damaged. Let's fix that. In Command Prompt, admin run sfc/scan now. Wait for it to finish, then run dsm/online/cleanup image/restore health. This process repairs both system files and the Windows image that updates rely on. 4. Use the secret fix problems using Windows Update. Now here's something Microsoft doesn't talk about much, but it works surprisingly well. Go to Settings, System, Recovery. Under Fix Problems using Windows Update, click Reinstall now. This reinstalls core update components without deleting your apps or files, and often forces stuck updates to work. 5. Install KB5077181 manually. If all else fails, skip Windows Update entirely and install it yourself. Go to the Microsoft Update Catalog, link in description. Search for KB5077181. Download the version for your system, x64 or ARM64. Once downloaded, double-click the file to install. This method bypasses Windows Update servers and forces the update to install. 6. The nuclear option. If nothing else works, you might have a deep system issue. In that case, download the latest Windows 11 24H2 ISO from Microsoft and choose Keep My Files and Apps during installation. This refreshes Windows while keeping your data intact, and it guarantees updates work again. 7. Enable .NET Framework. Let's start with a quick but powerful fix. Press Windows +R, type optional features.exe, and hit Enter. In the pop-up window, check both .NET Framework 3.5 and .NET Framework 4.8 Advanced Services. Click OK. Restart your PC. Why this works? Some updates rely on .NET services. If they're off, updates can fail instantly. 8. Disable VPN, proxy, and firewalls. Next up, let's make sure your PC can actually reach Microsoft servers. Turn off any VPN. Go to Settings, Network and Internet, Proxy. Disable everything. Temporarily pause your firewall or third-party antivirus. Many updates fail just because your connection is blocked. 9. Expand System Reserved Partition if needed. If you've done everything and it's still not working, this might be the real reason. The System Reserved Partition on your drive may be too small for this update. Use a tool like Mini Tool Partition Wizard, EaseUS Partition Manager. Make sure your System Reserved Partition has at least 500 megabytes of free space. Warning: this is an advanced fix. Follow the on-screen instructions in these tools carefully or skip to the next step if you're unsure. So there you have it, proven ways to fix KB5077181 error 0x800f0900 on Windows 11 24H2 or 25H2. Your system is now fully updated and secure. Let me know in the comments which one worked for you, and if you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a real fix again. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.
If it's a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions and the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off from a break off from the weak minds, they can stay soft. You can change lives, you create thoughts. do you like?